Hello students, today let us discuss the topic seat system of a vehicle or automobile. So this seat system, it comes under the vehicle safety. So we will take an example of a car seat. So car seat is designed to support legs, lower and upper back and head. Okay, so if this is a seat, then this is a headrest. Okay, so the person who is seated will be getting the support on his back, lower back and his head. Okay, so this is the car seat or vehicle seat. So car seat is designed to support legs, lower and upper back and head. Okay, so the front seats have three main parts. So the seats in the front of the car have three main parts. What are they? Have three main parts. That is the seat back, or it is called as squab, seat base, which is called as cushion, and the headrest. So this portion is called as the squab. This lower portion on which the person is seated is the seat base or cushion, and this is the headrest. Components of seat are usually made from foam for comfort. So all these components or parts of the seat are made from foam for comfort. So even while choosing the foam for making the seats, we have to see that the foam is suitable for balancing comfort, support, safety, as well as they must be recyclable. They should have recyclable properties. So here we can say that most suitable foam for balancing, it must balance comfort, support, safety and even recycling properties are considered. So cushioning agents is important while considering the mobile cars which may transmit vibrations near the human spines. Okay, the resonant frequency of 3 Hz. So while there are cars, that is mobile cars, moving vehicles, they will transmit vibrations near the human spines whose resonant frequency is 3 Hz. So that is why cushioning agent is very important. So if cushioning agent is not provided, then the vibrations will be transmitted to the human spine or human body, and it will result in problems like pain in the joint, or even it may injure the spine also. So that is why cushioning agents are very important while making the seats in mobile cars. So vibrations near the human spines, resonant frequency of 3 Hz. So the seats can usually be adjusted for position, that is forward or backward on the metal railings, and may move up and down to adjust the different body types. So some people may be very tall, some may be very short. So the seat must be adjustable to move forward, backward, and above and below also. So they must be able to move up or down depending upon the type of body of the person. The seats can usually be adjusted for position forward or backward on metal railings and may move up and down to adjust different body types. So this movement is accomplished either by manual latches or by electrical levers. So the seat adjustment can be provided with manual latches which are adjusted by hand or manually, or it can be provided with electrical levers, that is buttons are provided where you can press those buttons and adjust the different positions of your seat. So this movement is accomplished either by manual. So there may be a release lever to allow the swap to lean forward for access to the back seat in some automobiles. So we have already discussed the seats part, that is, this is the lower portion of this part and this is called as the swab and this is the headrest. Okay, so this portion which is supporting your back is called as the squat. So there may be a release lever to allow the swab to move forward. So here there may be a lever provided somewhere where it will allow the swab, that is this portion of the seat, to move forward for access to the back seat in some automobiles. So there may be a release lever to allow the swab to lean forward for access to back seat in some cases, in some automobiles. So adjustment of seat deals with concerns like providing leg room, supplying back support and giving head support. So available amenities include electric adjustment, choice in the fabric covering and temperature control. So adjustment of the seat deals with the concerns like, so even when the seat is adjusted, if it is lowered, then you should see that the headrest is coordinating with the lower position. If we adjust the seat such that we are leaning back, we have to see that it is supporting our back. So all these concerns are related to the adjustment of the seat. So also when you move forward or when you lean forward, you adjust the seat such that it is leaning forward, then it has to provide room for your legs. Supplying back support and giving head support. So all these can be done with the help of electrical adjustment. Okay, we have to see the available amenities include electric adjustment, choice in fabric. So what kind of fabric are you going to use to cover the seats, and temperature control. So important advancement in this area are the top concerns of the manufacturers, government officials, and of course the customers. So all these amenities which are included for the adjustment of seat is also a big concern for the manufacturers to see that the comfort of the customers is their priority. So the head support is connected to the top of the swab by two metal circular tube shafts that are permanently attached to the head. So the head support, so this head rest is supported on the top of the swab. So this is the head rest, and it is connected to the top of the swab by two metal circular tube shafts. So there are two metal circular shafts that are permanently attached to this head, and they are connecting the swab and the headrest. Head support is connected to the top of the swab by two metal circular shafts that are attached to the head permanent. So this is all about the seat system. I hope you have understood the topic, and we can see how important the seating system is in the automobile. Thank you.